Hi everyone, welcome back to Hein Academy, and in this video I'm going to solve an example problem on slope-intercept form and finding the equation of a straight line. And the question is asking to find the equation of the line that passes through the point 2, 5 and the slope is 3. So let's try to visualize the line, and we have a point on the line that is 2, 5. And the slope is m is equal to 3. In order to find the equation of the line, we will be using slope-intercept form equation. And that is y is equal to mx plus b. And in some textbook, it is going with mx plus c, but it doesn't matter. And in this video, I'm going with mx plus b. So when you see this equation, I want you to remember that m is the slope and b represent y-intercept. And the slope is a measure of how steep the line is. So the higher the slope, the steeper the line. So here m3, m2, m1, and the slope of m3 is higher than the slope of m2 and of m1. And b represents y-intercept, and that shows where the straight line cuts through y-axis on the graph. Y-axis and x-axis. And let's say the value of y-intercept is positive 3, then the line will passes through positive 3 on the y-axis. And if the y-intercept is at negative 5, the line will cut through y-axis at negative 5. And the line can be in this nature also. It depends on the slope of the line. And if it is going downhill, the slope is negative, and it is going uphill, then the slope is positive. I hope you get the concept. And now we will be finding the equation of the line that passes through 2, 5 and the slope is 3. So we know the slope here, and we have x value and y value because we know a point on the straight line. So we know these variables, so we can find the unknown y-intercept value. So we will be plugging in 5 is equal to y, and m is 3, and the slope is 2 plus b. So 3 times 2 is 6, and plus b. So to find the value of b, we will be subtracting 6 from both sides, and b is equal to negative 1. So we know the value of b, and we know the value of m. So we can write the equation of the straight line. Y is equal to m is 3x minus 1. That's the equation of the line that passes through 2, 5. And the gradient here is 3. So mx plus c, m is 3, and y-intercept is at negative 1. So when you draw the line on the graph, then here is y-axis and here is x-axis, and y-intercept is at negative 1, so the graph will cut through negative 1 here, and the slope is 3, so it will be steeper like this, and that's the nature of the graph will be y is equal to 3x minus 1. So if you want to know where the x-intercept is, then you can use the value y as 0, then it will be 1/3. Now we got the equation of the line as y is equal to 3x minus 1. And how can we verify that this equation that we got is correct? Well, we can plug in the point given in the problem, and let's say we plug in the value of x, and if we get the value of y, then our equation is correct. So here we will check the answer. Y is equal to 3x minus 1, and we know that x is at 2 minus 1, so 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1, 5. So y is equal to 5, so we got 2, 5 by plugging in into the equation that we got. So our answer for the equation is correct. I hope it makes sense, and we will be solving more problems on the slope-intercept form, and finding the equation of a straight line. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.